there were a lot of takeaways. I think practically, actually on the day, we saw the use of Catalyst's idea around Encourage the Heart. We actually adopted this idea where employees are encouraged to commend and recognize each other for various things around the office, maybe support, help, encouragement. So we have this table in both of our locations with knick-knack items that employees could choose to recognize others, and it has been working. Like, we've been seeing people recognizing each other, which is beautiful. So we love that. So that's on a practical level. I think one of the real critical things that happened on that day was that we came to a consensus as a team that this was an important area, which was performance management, and there was commitment on the day that managers will spend the time to engage their employees at the beginning of the year on what the plan is, what they're committing to, and then commit to a continuous coaching and follow up on that. It's easy to say that, but to put it in practice is probably a little bit more difficult. But what I can say is that I think that commitment was definitely felt on the day, and hopefully we'll see it in 2023. Coming out of the training, so we had committed that from January, we would ensure that by the end of February, every employee in the business would have had a discussion with their manager or their direct reports to share their performance plans. It's a contract, so they would have had it signed off. And I can say to you that we have had 100% completion of this. We are in March now, so I can say to you that every manager has completed it. And this is far different to what we've had historically. Even some of the managers who would be really challenged because of other competing activities, they prioritized it, and I actually commended them for it. And the way how I personally led it is that I made sure that I did all of the managers before, all of my direct reports, and then they in turn. So we're making it leader-led to ensure that it is committed. So far, so good. We are 100% on our early commitment. We'll have some other commitments to make sure we follow through on as well. You know, we have always, as a leadership team, be very open and have good conversations around performance and how we want this business to grow. But what I have seen is the commitment at the next level, where every single, all of my managers who lead people, I have seen that they have taken an extra step in ensuring that they are 100% committed to engaging their employees in performance planning. I think the commitment has actually drilled further down through the organization, and that is important.